New installations here. We're just recording this for my grandchildren and my great-grandchildren. So a lot of people finishing their projects today? You going to be working till midnight?
Well, I'm on call all weekend, so...
Oh, well, but till midnight is the only thing that counts.
I'm sure I'll be working after midnight when all the crazies get through.
Ah, okay. Running into the poles and everything?
Ah, yeah. Okay, there's one.
Ah. Why are there two?
One's to meter how much you consume from your solar, and one's from there.
Oh, I see.
This meter just measures kilowatt hours.
Okay.
It's sort of a backup to this one, so you can compare the two. This meter measures the number of kilowatt hours coming in from us that we're delivering to you, that you're paying for. And it also shows the number of kilowatt hours from your system going out into our system that we're giving you compensation for.
Good.
So, and there's also a little arrow on here that'll show which direction it's going. So if the arrow's going that way, you're selling to us.
That's the way we want it to
that
go.
way, we're selling to you.
Go left, man. Go left. Yeah. And so the one you're doing now is what the solar is generating?
Basically, yeah.
I'm going to turn it on for you. So it's okay to turn it on the system?
Sure, go ahead.
Well, I better go catch that, huh? Excuse me while I go catch the flipping of the switch. Wait, Isaac.
Maybe I should take the camera and you should turn the knobs.
Okay.
All right.
It's still on.
Got it. What's going on, Gavin? You almost done there?
Yeah, almost done. Just make sure all this is tight. I'll pull off the wall.
Alrighty. Can you go ahead and turn on the... Well, I'll let you finish doing that. Are you almost done?
It's the final moments.
Yeah.
Can you just go ahead and back away from the wall, please?
That's okay. That's okay.
It's the right side? All good? Let her do it. She gets the honors.
Well, you gotta
Flip
on everything.
First, we're gonna turn this guy on. Okay, up that breaker.
Up.
With
Both
of
of them at the same
Yes,
time?
ma'am. Take this right here at the bottom metal switch.
Oh, okay.
Now the middle one, the 30s.
Okay.
There you go. That's your sub panel. Now you turn this one
Straight
clockwise. Clockwise, yeah, straight up. And the one below you as well. Alright, we got lights. Now let's go back around to where John's working from IID.
Action camera.
And we're going to turn on the disconnect over there.
Disconnect over there.
Yeah.
But we'll let him do that, right?
Yeah. Still
Okay,
rolling.
I'll follow you. I'm going to get disconnected from... But that doesn't disconnect from the grid, because I'm still on the grid.
You're always going to be on the grid, yeah.
Yeah,
Your
always on the
system
grid.
will never work unless you
Yeah, right.
are on the grid. It's got a...
So did you turn it on?
Yeah, everything's on.
So are the meters running?
It's going to take about 5 minutes for
Okay.
the inverter to go through its initialization
Well,
and
we'll
then start producing power.
We'll just assume it's going to happen and say thank you to everybody.